Welcome once again, and let's talk about Shibadoge coin. For the first time, Shibadoge have maintained an uprise in market cap without falling. Remember Shibadoge, so many times you see this coin gaining a lot of support, a lot of rise and market cap, and within 2-3 days you will see that market cap dropping, you will see that rise dropping. But this time around, Shibadoge have maintained since the beginning of this year a continuous increase in price and increase in market cap, and I'm happy to see this. Now, Shibadoge market cap at the time of recording this is currently trading at over $35 million. Before, Shibadoge market cap was about 5.6 and $6.3 million market cap, and we're talking about 35 million. That's almost 29 point something billion dollars has been added on Shibadoge, and Shibadoge have continued to maintain that. Unlike before, Shibadoge continue to fall down. I'm happy to see Shibadoge really change. I'm happy to see different crypto exchanges are now having interest on Shibadoge, and I believe very soon we might be seeing Shibadoge massively increasing in price. We might be seeing Shibadoge dominating. We might be seeing Shibadoge hitting a massive bump, because this coin is ready to bump. With about 16 zeros, Shibadoge can delete between 1 to 5 zeros in the future. Shibadoge is being seen as the next Shiba Inu, and so many people are nobody wants to miss. That's why some people are buying holding for a very long period of time. And for me, like I might say, remember, this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision.